Hi everyone and welcome to part 5 of Power BI series. Here we will be looking into adding visuals in our report. Power BI has extraordinary visuals that can be used on your reports and on dashboards. Power BI visuals are attractive charts and graphics that you can use to revitalize your data. Visuals allow you to share data insights more effectively and increase comprehension, retention, and appeal. Visuals are a fundamental part of your report because they help your report audience organize and interact with the information to make informed decisions quickly. Now that we have loaded and modeled our organization's data in Power BI Desktop, let's start creating our beautiful visuals. Back in our Power BI Desktop, I will first start by showing you how our model looks like because it's a little bit different from the previous one. As you can see here, I have added more tables and I have created relationships between the various tables. Back to the Visuals tab. Here we have a working space where we shall be placing our visuals, and our entire report is composed of pages, so you can add another page just by clicking on the plus symbol down here. Then to our right we have the filters pane, which gives you the opportunity to place filters either on a visual on this page or across all the pages. Then next we have the visualizations. Here now you can find all the visualizations you have in Power BI. They are not limited to what you can see here. For if you need to see more, all you do is to click on the ellipsis here. Then you have the possibility to get more visuals or to import a visual from the file, maybe a customized visual you have created. I'm actually creating one. When I'll be done, I'll let you guys know. So let's go a bit to get more visuals. Here is going to take us to the App Store or an app source where we are going to see a list of different visuals either created by Microsoft or created by third parties. So as you can see here, you have a lot of visuals. So just for you to select one to add it to Power BI Desktop and make use of it. Back to our BI Desktop. So I'm going to add the first visual here, which is going to be a map. So all I need to do is to click on the map. You have the map visual which is added and awaiting data. So the first data here, I'm going to go to the fields pane and drop down on school. On the school, what I'm going to add is a country. We need to know where the school is found, which country, and the next thing I'm going to add also is the city. Good. Then I'm going to enlarge this so that we have a more data view. Perfect. So now we see here that we have a map which is showing us the various locations of our school. Here you can see we have the school found in the United States, that's in the US, in the city of Redmond. We have one in the United Kingdom, UK, London, and we have one in Africa just down here in Cameroon. This makes it easy for someone to get the location of a particular school. Now let us go a little bit deeper and saying that maybe when he selects a school, we should get some more information like the principal's name or his phone number so that we may contact him or her to get more information about the school. So the next visual that I'm going to add here should be a table, because I think the table is more suitable for such information. So all I'll need to do is to click on the table visual here. You first of all click on an empty space so that it does not overwrite the first visual. Then you click on the table. This adds a table visual. Then we need to import some data to it. So what we want here is to get the name of the school, the principal's name, and the phone number. Perfect. Let us reduce this to maybe fit in somewhere. I'm going to place this here. Okay, then we use this one, so they should be side by side. This is good. Now we see here that we have information about all the schools. We have basically 3 schools, we have the principal's name, and we have their contact number. The beautiful thing here is that let us say we want to check out the school in Cameroon. So all I need to do is just to click on Cameroon here, and you see that this table, it's filtered automatically and gives me just the information concerning the school in Cameroon. Here you have the name of the school, you have the principal's name, and you have the contact number. So from here now one can easily make a call to get more information or more inquiries about the school. If I should select maybe the United States, see it changes, so it filters still this table and gives me the right information. Now let us push it a little bit by adding another visual. So here I may not just want to see the school, but I also need to see what are the courses they offer. So for that, I'm going to add again another table visual. So I click on table, then go to sections. In that section, what I'm going to add is the course name, for example. So this now is going to give me the list of all the courses, and maybe let us add a course description. So here I have a list of all the courses and a course description. When I will select, let us come to the United Kingdom, I select United Kingdom here. I have IT school, I have the information of the principal, and then below the course and the course name I see here that it's empty, showing that this school maybe for some reason has no courses to offer. So this will not be something good for me. Let us try with Cameroon. So all I need is select Cameroon. Good, beautiful. So each time I select a location, I have information about that location, that is the principal's name, and the phone, that is information about the school, and I can also see the subject that the school is offering. And just from this information I can decide if I have to send my kid to the school or not. We have many beautiful visuals you can use, and depending on what you want to see, you should vary your various visuals. I'm going to end here for this tutorial, and in our next tutorial you may see something more beautiful than this, because I'm going to do some modifications and add some more data so we have a more nice looking report. Thanks for watching.